Okay, so I'm going to try to make fire with the hand drill solo this time. There's the one, this one right here I made with Zach just the other day. So now I'm going to try to do it solo. I've got my spindle and my fire bundle, tinder bundle. I'm going to using jute fiber just to be sure this stuff is perfect. So let's give it a go. I think we got it. Yes. Okay. There we go. See that? Smoking all by itself. We got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my first I've ever fire with a fire drill. Well, not quite fire, but I know I got the ember. So I'll just put it into the bundle. You can see that. Oh. Do not want to put it out now. Into the bundle. Pinch it shut. Long, gentle blows. And there we go. My first fire with the hand drill. What is it? July 9th, 2011. Wait, or is it the 10th? July 10th. July 10th. Oh my god. But this, right there, that one, that was with the double, that was with just me. Took me a couple tries. But look at that. And I've completed my life's goal, 16. I am so happy. This is like the best day of my life. With a hand drill, a stick, and a piece of wood. The oldest way to make fire. Now, I can make fire this way, I can make fire any way. Oh my god. Oh, the best day of my life. Other than being born. Good day.